Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Jyrki Heinimaa, colleagues at Rauma Shipyard, Tallink-Silja colleagues, dear shipping fans around the world. Just a few months ago in April, during the early days of the global coronavirus outbreak, we marked the start of production of the finest and greenest vessel of the Tallink fleet, MyStar, as the first sheet of steel was cut at Rauma Shipyard. Today, 5 incredibly tough months later, we are marking the next key milestone event, the keel laying of MyStar. Unfortunately, as the uninvited guest, global COVID-19 is still with us, I can't be today in Rauma with you, and I'm joining you today, like many of my colleagues from Tallink Group, online. Ships are symbolic of many aspects of our everyday lives, from language to culture, from freedom to hope, in one word, providing a vital link between people and countries. Some of the oldest words in our languages are connected to boats and shipbuilding. For example, the word for keel in the English language is being regarded as the very first written word in the English language. Historically, the keel is the ship's backbone, so too our economies rely on dependable, sustainable and eco-friendly ships to operate. During the continuing global coronavirus pandemic and challenging times that lay ahead for our economies, it is even more important that vital shipping routes remain open to carry people and goods. Among the coins being laid under the keel of MyStar today, one coin is called the Future of Estonia. To deliver now and in the future more than ever, we need modern ships equipped with the last technology and cutting-edge solutions, ships that are innovative, efficient and green at the same time to tackle the challenges ahead. I'm very pleased and proud to have Rauma Marine Construction as our partner for this key project and that MyStar is built at Rauma Shipyard, close to home in Finland, adding more success to our long-standing cooperation history, which was started many years ago. We don't need a tunnel to connect our countries, we need just enough ships for that. With the MyStar project, we are proud and happy to be able to help sustain the rich tradition of Finnish shipbuilding. Now more than ever, it matters to us that we can build our ship close to home in Finland, and this way help preserve jobs in Finland and Estonia to keep the historic shipbuilding industry going and support and contribute to the economies of our Baltic Sea region as whole. I would like to thank Rauma Marine Constructions, my Tallink-Silja colleagues in the project team, our devoted shipsfans and loyal customers who will, no doubt, shape MyStar to be their own, very own star on the vital Tallinn-Helsinki route connecting Estonia and Finland, a very green route. Stay strong and healthy, and I hope to see you all in Rauma for the next big milestone, launching of MyStar next summer. Thank you.